Sheikh Kulayni rahmatullah alayhi Muhammad ibn Yaqub al-Kulayni, through his own chain of narration and narrators, quotes Ishaq ibn Ammar, and Ishaq ibn Ammar quotes Imam Sadiq alayhi salam. He says, Imam Sadiq said, Ya Ishaq, O Ishaq ibn Ammar, Khifillaha ka'annaka tarah, fear Allah as if you see Him. وَإِن كُنْتَ لَا تَرَاهُ فَإِنَّهُ يَرَاكَ. If you cannot see Him, He is certainly seeing you. So you must think that He is there and you see Him. But if you are not able to imagine that, at least you must know that He is seeing you. إِن كُنْتَ لَا تَرَاهُ. If you don't see Him, He is seeing you. وَإِن كُنْتَ تَرَى أَنَّهُ لَا يَرَاكَ. But if God forbids, you think that He is not seeing you. You think that He is not seeing you. فَقَدْ كَفَرْتَ. You have become kafir. Any person who says, Allah is not seeing me, Allah is not watching me, Allah is not aware of what I am doing, he's denying Allah's knowledge and presence. وَإِن كُنْتَ تَعْلَمُ أَنَّهُ يَرَاكَ. Now, if you know that He is seeing you, we said, اُعْبُدِ اللَّهَ كَأَنَّكَ تَرَاهُ. Now, if you know that He is seeing you and still you commit ma'asiyah, ثُمَّ بَرَزْتَ لَهُ بِالْمَعْصِيَةِ فَقَدْ جَعَلْتَهُ مِنْ أَهْوَنِ النَّاظِرِينَ عَلَيْكَ. If you believe that He is seeing you and still you commit sin, it means that you have, na'udhu billah, made Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the least of the observers. Because even if a child, even if a stranger is watching me, I will act differently. It's very hard to find someone that whether he is watched or not, it would not matter. It would be exactly the same. No. Most of people, when they know they are watched, they are more careful. They are more, precautious about their actions. So, in kunta ta'lamu annahu yarak, if you know that He is watching you, ثُمَّ بَرَزْتَ لَهُ بِالْمَعْصِيَةِ, then you come out and exhibit ma'siyah, فَقَدْ جَعَلْتَهُ مِنْ أَهْوَنِ النَّاظِرِينَ. Like you have made Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the least, na'udhu billah, the lowest of the observers.